If you're ready to learn without reading hundreds of pages, hit that subscribe button, sit tight, and let's dive in. Scene 1. The clock is ticking. With only months to live, he decides to leave behind more than memories. He'll give one final lecture, not just to students, but to his children, a life lesson preserved forever. Takeaway: life's greatest lessons sometimes emerge when time is running out. Scene 2. The weight of the last lecture. At Carnegie Mellon University, the Last Lecture series invites professors to imagine sharing their most important life advice. But for Randy, this isn't hypothetical. It's real. Despite his failing health, he commits to delivering his most powerful message. Takeaway: even with limited time, our words can echo beyond our years. Scene 3. Childhood dreams, more than wishful thinking. Randy walks us through his childhood dreams, experiencing zero gravity, playing in the NFL, contributing to the World Book Encyclopedia, meeting Captain Kirk, winning giant stuffed animals, becoming a Disney Imagineer. These weren't idle fantasies. They were guiding stars shaping his path. Takeaway: dreams aren't just for children, they can steer your life's journey. Scene 4. The Parent Lottery. Randy credits his success to being born to supportive, imaginative, and grounded parents. They encouraged curiosity, critical thinking, and allowed him to paint his bedroom walls with equations and rocket ships. Takeaway: a nurturing environment unlocks creativity and confidence. Scene 5. Breaking the gravity barrier. Though he never became an astronaut, Randy's persistence led him to NASA's Vomit Comet, where he experienced zero gravity with his students. Dream achieved, not conventionally, but creatively. Takeaway: when doors close, windows open for those determined enough to look. Scene 6. Football, fundamentals, and tough coaches. Randy's football dreams may not have materialized on a grand scale, but the lessons from the field stuck. His coach's tough love taught him that fundamentals and perseverance outlast raw talent. Takeaway: success starts with mastering the basics, even when no one's watching. Scene 7. The hidden gifts of criticism. As a young football player, Randy learns that criticism means people care. When mentors stop correcting you, it often means they've given up. Takeaway: honest feedback, though uncomfortable, fuels personal growth. Scene 8. Writing for the world. Becoming a contributor to the World Book Encyclopedia fulfills Randy's dream of sharing knowledge with millions, proof that expertise and credibility can unlock once unimaginable goals. Takeaway: your knowledge isn't just for yourself, it can educate the world. Scene 9. Love in the face of adversity. Meeting his wife, Jay, brought love, but also challenges. From long-distance hurdles to health scares, they faced life's tests together. Their bond, strengthened by honesty and resilience, defines true partnership. Takeaway: love isn't measured by ease, but by the willingness to fight for each other. Scene 10. Meeting Captain Kirk, lessons beyond fame. Though he never became Captain Kirk, meeting William Shatner taught Randy that curiosity outshines celebrity. Shatner's interest in Randy's virtual reality work revealed that true icons never stop learning. Takeaway: greatness isn't in fame, but in lifelong curiosity. Scene 11. Carnival games and small victories. Randy's obsession with winning stuffed animals at carnivals symbolizes his playful determination. Behind the fun lies a deeper truth: celebrating small wins keeps our spirits alive. Takeaway: little victories build resilience for life's bigger battles. Scene 12. The Disney Imagineer dream. Becoming a Disney Imagineer was Randy's ultimate achievement, blending creativity, technology, and storytelling. It didn't come easy. Rejection, persistence, and humility paved the way. Takeaway: dreams demand credentials, courage, and tenacity. Scene 13. Don't complain, innovate. Randy's mantra is simple: don't waste time whining. Instead, focus on solutions. His entire career, and even his battle with cancer, reflects this practical optimism. Takeaway: complaining burns energy better spent on progress. Scene 14. Diagnosing root problems. Whether in engineering or life, Randy believes in addressing the cause, not the symptoms. Superficial fixes never lead to true solutions. Real change requires digging deep. Takeaway: solve problems at their root. Surface-level fixes never last. Scene 15. The currency of gratitude. A handwritten thank you note. A kind word. Randy insists these small gestures foster goodwill and open doors that effort alone can't always unlock. Takeaway: gratitude compounds opportunities and strengthens bonds. Scene 16. Life's unwritten endings. Not every dream unfolds perfectly. Randy shares stories of missed opportunities and shifting goals, reminding us that adaptability is as vital as ambition. Takeaway: success often looks different than expected. Stay flexible. Scene 17. Enabling the dreams of others. True fulfillment lies in mentoring others. Randy's legacy isn't just his achievements, it's the students, colleagues, and family members he empowered to chase their own dreams. Takeaway: helping others dream amplifies your own success. Scene 18. Jay and the children, the heart of his legacy. Randy's biggest concern is his family. His lecture, and by extension this book, serves as a guide, a love letter, and a time capsule of values for his young kids. Takeaway: your legacy lives on through those you love and guide. Scene 19. The head fake. Randy reveals the ultimate head fake. While his lecture is about achieving childhood dreams, its deeper message is about integrity, perseverance, and living meaningfully. Takeaway: the surface message entertains, the hidden message transforms. Scene 20. Immortality through impact. Though his time is short, Randy understands that ideas, values, and love can outlive physical life. His lecture becomes immortal, a roadmap for dreamers and doers alike. Final takeaway: mortality limits time, but not the reach of your legacy. That wraps up the last lecture, a masterclass in living with purpose, even when facing the ultimate deadline. Remember, your dreams aren't childish, they're fuel for your journey, and your legacy is built every single day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Summary Shelf, where books come to life, one scene at a time. See you in the next one, because trust me, the next book might just reshape your entire perspective.